Have you ever, thought about ditching the 9 to 5 and actually making movies?
Yeah, who hasn't?
Right. Well, today we're going to do a deep dive on the Real Fleet Academy.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, they do film education a bit differently.
Okay, I'm all ears.
They call it, get this, education done your way.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah, they seem to really understand how modern creatives actually like to learn,
Right. It's not like the old school, stuffy film school vibe, which I think can be intimidating for some.
Totally. So they've got these 3 different pathways. You can do online courses, there's mentorship programs, or you can jump right into in-person workshops.
Wow, so there's something for everyone.
Exactly. And so first up, online courses. I mean, who doesn't love learning from anywhere? But, we've all seen those boring pre-recorded lectures.
Yeah.
So what makes Real Fleets different?
Yeah, good point. From what I've seen, they're all about keeping things interactive, think like virtual filmmaking challenges, and you get to apply what you're learning, in real time.
Oh, that's cool.
And they've got these online forums and feedback sessions, so you're actually learning from instructors and other students at the same time.
So it's like a built-in film community from day one.
Exactly.
That's huge.
Yeah,
Especially if you're someone who doesn't have access to a traditional film school environment.
I totally agree.
Okay, but what about those who, crave that more personal touch?
Well, that's where the mentorship program comes in.
Okay, tell me more.
So it's not just about getting advice from industry vets.
Although, that's amazing in itself.
Oh, for sure. But Real Fleet actually pairs you with a mentor who specializes in your area of interest.
Oh, wow. So if I want to direct, I get a director.
Exactly. Like if you're into cinematography, screenwriting, whatever it is, they'll find someone who fits.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and they work with you, help you develop your skills, give feedback on your work, and they even connect you with other people in the industry.
That's like having your own personal Yoda.
Haha, totally. Guiding you through the galaxy of filmmaking.
Love it.
Yeah.
But you mentioned something about a hybrid approach.
Yeah, so it's not just all online. They mix the virtual mentorship with in-person meetups.
Oh, that's a good balance.
Yeah, you get the flexibility of online learning, but you still get that face-to-face interaction.
Which is so important. Human connection can't be beat.
For sure. Okay, now for the in-person workshops, this is where things get really intense.
Oh, yeah. Tell me more.
Picture a week-long deep dive into filmmaking with industry insiders.
I'm already sold.
And they really go beyond the basics, They have workshops on specific genres, emerging tech like VR filmmaking.
Whoa, VR filmmaking, that's cutting edge.
I know, right? And get this, they bring in some big names for masterclasses so you could learn the secrets of lighting from, say, an Oscar-winning cinematographer.
That's insane. So it's not all theory. You actually get to make films as part of a team.
Absolutely. You're learning by doing, and that's honestly the best way.
Hands-on experience, can't beat it.
And they really cultivate that sense of community, which, let's be real, it's so important in filmmaking.
Definitely. Filmmaking is a collaborative art. You can't do it alone.
And it's something they emphasize in all 3 pathways: the online forums, the mentorship, and the workshops.
It's like they're not just teaching you a craft, they're teaching you how to build your network, which is so crucial in this industry.
Couldn't have said it better myself, and based on the student testimonials I've seen, it's working.
Really?
Oh yeah, grads are landing jobs, getting their films into festivals, even starting their own production companies.
Wow, color me impressed.
Oh.
Okay, so what does all this mean for you listening right now?
Well, if you're serious about a career in film, the Real Fleet Academy seems like a really solid option.
It's a unique approach, that's for sure.
You've got the online learning, the personalized mentorship, or you can go all in with the in-person workshops, something for every kind of learner.
Love that.
Yeah.
But how do you choose? Where do you even begin?
Well, think about it like this. What kind of filmmaker do you want to be? What kind of environment do you think you'll thrive in?
Those are good questions. I need to give that some thought.
Me too, actually.
Well, what are you waiting for? Head over to their website, see what they've got.
Yeah, check out the different pathways, maybe even chat with an advisor. Could be your first step towards making those film dreams a reality.
Absolutely. That's all we've got for today's deep dive.
Hope you enjoyed it.
See you next time.